Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kinsmansi Mbamara. In case this is your first time, okay, you're welcome. So today I want to show you how to get verified on Facebook, like getting the blue badge, the blue badge that is attached to your profile. Okay, so I will show you how to get verified, how to go about it. Okay, so what is the use or the need for the blue badge? Okay, I will explain to you the need for the blue badge, or the use of the blue, or the importance of the blue badge is for authenticity. Like, someone can easily search you online and get you. Like, someone can easily search your account and get you. Okay, for easy search and easy identification online. And secondly, it shows that you are prominent, like you are highly influential. Okay, for Facebook to give you that badge, you are highly influential. Okay, you are known, you're a known person on social media or outside social media. Okay, so that is the second. That's why every celebrity has it, so that you can easily identify the one that is theirs. Okay, so for instance, if you want to search for Burna Boy or Face or Wizkid, you can easily know the one with blue badge. And once you are verified with your name, nobody can ever take your name because you are verified. Okay, so before it used to be on merit. Okay, people use Facebook used to give it to you on merit, but now it's not like that. Now Facebook can give it to you on merit, but it's just few persons, just because of the recent change. Maybe following the challenges and following the competition between Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk. Elon Musk started monetizing Twitter and also giving them blue badge, but on one condition: if you can be able to afford the money, the subscription on Twitter, Elon Musk gives you the blue badge. Okay, so that's what Mark Zuckerberg adopted recently. So it's no longer mainly, it's really on merit. So for now, he gives it to you if you can be able to pay the subscription fee, which is ranged from $11 to $12 or thereabouts. Okay, so if you can be able to get the subscription, Mark will get you verified. Okay, so that is how to go about that. The recent updates on Facebook verification. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go to the video. But if this is your first time, please do me a favor, help me and subscribe and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to be notified each time I drop a new video. I drop content on how to grow your Facebook, how to grow your YouTube, and how to make money online. So without wasting much of our time, for the returning subscribers, I appreciate it. Okay, so let's dive into the video right away.
Get the verification, the Facebook verification, or you can call it a verified badge. So let's go. When you click on your Facebook, like this is my Facebook now, okay? So when you click on your Facebook, you come down to help and support, okay? Click on this help and support. You see help center. Click on this help center. Then when you click on help center, it will bring you to a place like this. Okay, so what you have to do is, when you come to a place like this, so what you have to do is you click on this, hi, how can we help you? Click on this, hi, how can we help you? And you write verification. Okay, you search for verification. They say request a verified badge on Facebook. You click request a verified badge on Facebook. They say we encourage admins of verified pages and profile to use two-factor authentication. Okay, the verified badge means Facebook has confirmed that the page or profile is the authentic presence of the individual, public figure, or brand it represents. Previously, the verified badge also required the person or brand to be notable and unique. You may still see users with a verified badge that represents our previous eligibility requirements. So you come down, you see the next one, verify your profile or page. You can subscribe to Meta Verified to receive a verified badge to your profile. See the eligibility criteria for Meta Verified subscription. then you come down. You can also apply for the verified badge for a profile or page if you are a public figure, celebrity or brand, and meet certain account and eligible requirements outlined below. You can fill out this form to verify your profile or page. You must be logged in to view the form and request verification. Okay, so note, Meta Verified is available to verify profile only, not pages. Are you getting me? They only they say, note, Meta Verified is available to verify profiles only, not pages. Notable pages can still apply for a verified badge. As we test and learn, there will be no immediate changes to accounts on Instagram or Facebook that are already verified based on prior requirements. Okay, requirement to apply for a verification for accounts not subscribed to Meta Verified. We'll look at a number of factors when evaluating Facebook pages and profiles to determine if they are in the public interest and meet our verification criteria. In addition to following our terms, our service, make sure you read all these things. Okay, let me stop here. Okay, so when you come down, they say, for example, you can link to it from a website. Okay, so all these things are the what you have to do. Okay, so but then let's come up to the top where they say verify your profile or page. Okay, so when you leave the first line, the second line, you can see where they read you can also apply for verified badge. So blah 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 blah. Here they say fill out this form to verify your profile. Okay, so let's click on fill out this form to verify your profile. Here you say, what are you verifying, page or profile? Okay, so if it is profile, you click, but I'll click if it's page, but let me click page. Okay, they say you have no eligible admin pages. Step 1, confirm authenticity. Okay, confirm authenticity. Add an official identification document for yourself or okay, sorry. Okay, let's go for profile. They say enter your profile URL. Okay, so you fill it. Step 1, confirm authenticity. Add an official identification document for yourself or your business to show that your page or profile is connected to the public figure, celebrity or brand it represents. Okay, so make sure you read all these things. Document type. Look at in document type, they have driver license, passport, national identification card, tax filing, recent utility bill, articles of incorporation. So anyone you wish to, you just click. Okay, so you come down. After clicking there, you see here the right choose a file. Okay, so a file, they say take photo, choose a file from your library, take photo or choose files. So anyone you wish to, like this, say your document. So if you wish to snap your document and send, if you need to choose from your gallery, take photo, whatever, so just get the documents put here. Like if it is a passport, I will choose from my file, take a photo of it, or from my library and place here. So that is number 1 done. So step 2, confirm notability. Show that the public figure, celebrity or brand you page or profile represents is in the public interest. Okay, so in this place they say news, media, sports, government or politics. Anyone that's interested, anyone that your page is talking about: music, fashion, entertainment, digital creator, blogger, influencer, gamer, business, brand, organizer, others. Okay, so you can click others if you don't know what to select. Okay, but if you know what to select, you click 1. That is the category of your page or profile. So here they say country, so you can choose country. There are options here. Okay, I'm a Nigerian, I can choose Nigeria. So make sure you choose the country that your passport is representing, okay? Or where you from. Where you from? Yeah, it's good to choose where you're from, okay? So that is country you choose. Then this one, they say describe audience optional. This one is optional. They say describe the people who follow your page or profile, include who they are, what they're interested in, and why they follow you. So you can write, if you're a blogger, you can say, I'm a good blogger, I blog about the happenings. That's why people are following me. Or, you can, who you are. So this one is also optional. They say also known as optional. You can put your nickname here. Your guy name, your nickname, you can put here. So this one, they say add up to 5 articles, social media accounts, and other link that shows your page or profile is in the public interest. Paid or promotional content would be considered. So they said if there's any way they're talking about you as a celebrity, or they're talking about what they're doing as a public figure, you can click those pages that are talking about you and fill it here. You have 5 options. Okay, so you know how to go about it. They say the one you pay to promote isn't going to be accepted. So you know how to, maybe you can ask some influencers to post about you. From there you can bring the link of those videos and place here, those post and place here, so that in terms of verification they will just go and they check if you are who you claim you are. This is just for authenticity. So after you fill all these things, then you come down here and you see where it's written send. So you have to send. Then you've done, once you send, it will be under review, your page will be under review, or your profile will be under review. So you've done 99% of the work.
Okay, if you're watching up to this time, I appreciate you. Okay, so thank you for watching that wonderful video. I drop a lot of videos which would interest you, so check down below on my playlist. You can see other videos. Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe and like. Drop your comment if you have any question. I will always attend to you on the comment section. So I love you. Peace.